Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS build and GPU model so you download the right package. This prevents version mismatch errors. Once downloaded, disable antivirus and, if necessary, turn off Secure Boot. These often block driver writes. Choose the custom install in the Nvidia installer. That lets you select Perform a clean installation, which removes leftover files and registry entries. You're setting up a controlled environment so the installer can write drivers without conflict, and that reduces failure chance. You should run the installer as administrator so it has required privileges. Watch Device Manager while it replaces the display adapter driver to confirm progress. If the standard run fails, reboot into safe mode and use display driver uninstaller to remove traces, because old driver remnants commonly cause conflicts. Once cleaned, retry the Nvidia package. Make sure Windows Update isn't auto-installing a generic driver at the same time, and roll back any conflicting updates so the proper driver can be applied. After the installer finishes, re-enable antivirus and Secure Boot, because they protect your system and usually aren't the culprit once the driver is correctly installed. Then test the GPU with a benchmark or a game to confirm stability, monitor temperatures, and look for graphical artifacts. If you still see failures, check Windows Event Viewer and Nvidia installer logs to identify errors, and try installing the previous official driver version. Sometimes newer WHQL releases introduce regressions. One tip: keep a restore point before major driver changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.